Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get the premium promo code or coupon code that actually works for Vavada, then this video is for you. So first you have to open your browser and simply search for cheapy.com. So when you have searched for it, you can find the spelling here. You can find this website where you can simply use the search bar and search for Vavada. And here is, you can find Vavada bonuses here, simply click on it, and from here you can find the Vavada bonus deposit required bonus offers. So here you can find and view the details about the bonus here. So you have to simply click on this code here, and you can see the code is now copied to clipboard. Now you will be able to add it in the promo code whenever you are going to try to deposit amounts in the Vavada application. So here is the all the details. Make sure that you have read all the details, terms and conditions before redeeming this promo code. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.